Hi guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for celebrity gist, gossips, and Naija news. Obiebi rocks Man U jersey as loved up at poolside. Obiebi from Ultimate Love Season 1 are waxing stronger in their love life after the Ultimate Love show. They have been in an hotel enjoying their privacy since the end of the show. Obi and Ebiteinye were having fun beside the pool rocking Manchester United jersey. Guys, I know some of us might be surprised while some are not surprised. Well, for me, I'm surprised because despite their issues and misunderstandings, fights that they had in the love part, it did not hinder them. We're thinking after the show to be they'll wave themselves bye bye and go their separate ways. But I'm happy on the other hand that they are able to see things through and they are waxing stronger. We hope Obi will pop the question very soon. We wish them all the best. Let me know what you think about the couple in the comment section below, and don't forget, if you're a new first time viewer, to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get a notification when a new story drops. Thank you.